Hello my beautiful people, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. As you can see, I finally hit 1,000k subscribers, and I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, because without you I would not be here doing videos or even at 1,000k. So with that said, I want to celebrate, and by doing so I want to get to know my subscribers, or even people who watch my videos and have yet to subscribe. Whether you're a crafter or non-crafter, this is open to everybody, as long as you're 18 and over. Okay, all I'm asking for this celebration is an ATC card, because I am starting a binder for my to collect ATC cards from all of you, so that I know who to send happy mail or snail mail, birthday stuff or whatnot, and just to get to know you. Okay, so I am asking for an ATC card, and with your information like your birthday, your address, so I know where to mail stuff to you. Also your social, so I not only can I go ahead, subscribe or follow, but so the others can also. Your favorite color, so that whenever I make some goodies for you or get you some goodies, I would like to know at least your favorite colors. And what is your crafty likes, like what stuff you like, what style you like, whether you're vintage, kawaii, or you love flowers, butterfly, etc. Anything. So that's the information I would like to learn more about you. Okay, the next thing that you add into it is a crafter's choice. And what do I mean by that is make anything that your heart desires. So if you like making beadable pins, make a beadable pin. If you like making embellishments, make embellishments. If you like making rosettes, bows, butterfly, anything, whatever. Like I said, I want to get to know my subscribers and my viewers. So anything that you like to make or do, go ahead and add that. Okay, you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel and my Instagram. I will put both of those in the description below. I'm trying to grow my Instagram also, because I'm starting to do both of them at the same time. So go ahead and subscribe and follow on that. Must be 18 and over, and like I said, this is open to anyone, anywhere. So if you want to go ahead and participate, I'm glad to have you participate. Now, you don't have to be a crafter to do this. I also want like I said, I want to learn more about my subscribers. I want this to be more of a community where we can, share ideas, share our loves, share everything. So anybody can get involved, whether crafter or not. You can send a card that you bought at the store, and maybe send something that you like to show me who you are. Okay. There will be actually 2 winners, and I will be giving out a $25 e-card, either from Amazon, or I could pay it through PayPal. So like I said, anybody can enter. It must be postmarked by December 7th of 2025, so that it gives you enough time to, since the holidays are coming up, it gives you some time to do that, plus with the holidays. Basically, like I said, I want to learn about you. So create whatever favorite holiday you like, whatever you like. I know we're going to be hitting Christmas time and Thanksgiving. If you love Easter, create an Easter. If you love Halloween, like I do, as you can see, create Halloween. Create whatever you want. Make whatever you want. All I really am curious is the ATC card with make sure you do have your info on it, because I do have a binder that I'm making to add everybody's info. Make a card if you want to, buy a card if you're not a crafter, etc. Anything, just so that I have info on you, and so that we could go ahead and keep connected. And like I said, just have it postmarked by December 7th. And if it's late, give me an email, message me, let me know. It's not a problem. I just want to say thank you for the support that everybody has shown me on here. There are some that I do talk to quite a bit. Thank you. I love you all, and I truly do love you all. And like I said, this community is the greatest, I think, in my eyes. Maybe I'm biased, but I'm going to say it. I love the crafting community. It's so big. It's not just one thing. Crafting and making or makes goes from anywhere, DIYs, from scrapbooking to jewelry making to mixed media. I mean, so many creative outlets. So like I said, I want people to join, and I don't care what your crafting style, what your, if you're not a crafter, but I do, a TC card or a card. Yeah, have fun with it. Be you. Show me who you are, because I love to know who you are. And with that, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.